Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich vegetarian meal for dinner, ideal as a filling meal in your healthy weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron wok, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of wood pressed sesame oil. Wood pressed sesame oil has a very neutral flavor and it is ideal in Asian cooking. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 8 to 10 garlic cloves sliced, and I'm allowing the garlic to turn light golden brown in color. So this way the oil will be infused with the garlic flavor and that gives a nice restaurant flavor to the dish. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 8 to 10 or a handful of shallots sliced. Give it a stir and allow the shallots to turn transparent or light pink in color. Instead of shallots, you can also use white part of the spring onions. 1 handful of beans finely chopped. Half cup of green peas. Half cup of chopped carrot. Finely chopped green chili as needed. Give it a good stir and stir fry the vegetables. Cooking in a cast iron helps in better iron absorption. Cast iron also has better heat retention, which helps to cook the vegetables really fast. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of sprouted green mung dal. I have already shared how to sprout green mung dal. This is 5-day-old green mung dal. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, black pepper powder as needed, and give it all a good mix. Next, I'm adding in half cup of finely chopped cabbage. Mix well. As a healthier alternative to soy sauce, I'm using coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is slightly lighter than dark soy sauce, so you will need to add some extra coconut aminos to get that umami flavor. So into this, I'm adding in 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of coconut aminos or as needed. Into this, I'm adding in 2 cups of cooked thooyamalli rice. Thooyamalli rice is a traditional variety of rice which is high in B vitamins. Instead of the rice I'm using, you can use any variety of rice you have at hand. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame and add in a splash of apple cider vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly bacteria and give it a good stir. Transfer the protein and fiber-rich vegetable fried rice onto a serving bowl. You can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy fried rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.